This TAGARNO microscope enables me to view the magnified objects in full HD image quality, which gives me a great tool for quality control processes. This microscope is easily mounted on a flexarm or directly on the wall, giving me a flexible tool which is easily adjustable to fit my needs. When using this system, there's no interference or delay, which ensures consistency and quality in our processes. The digital microscope has a magnificent depth of field and a great overview of the magnified objects due to its extreme light sensitivity. With a computer, it is possible to store, edit or distribute uncompressed video in full HD quality. The digital revolution has added new life to the traditional optical microscopes. The ease of use of the TAGARNO is one of the most important benefits. It is just plug and play. Via a single snapshot, you're able to create easily shareable, high-quality documentation through high-definition images produced by high-resolution cameras displayed on high-definition monitors and computers. With standalone or computer-connected digital microscopes, TAGARNO paves the way for considerably improved communication by enabling you to document, share and explain your work and results to co-workers, as well as within departments, companies and supply chains.